Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a 2025 guide on how to use conditional formatting in Airtable. This is a fantastic tool that will help you visually distinguish your data based on conditions you set. First up, let's open our Airtable base. Look for the view bar at the top of your screen and click on Grid. This helps us because it allows us to adjust our view and select the table we want to format. Now that we've done that, click on the format icon that looks like a paintbrush on the right side of the view bar. A sidebar will appear. This is your formatting sidebar, where you'll be able to set conditions for your formatting. Next up, let's set our conditions. Click on Add Conditions and select the field you want to format. For instance, if you want to highlight tasks that are overdue, select the Due Date field. Then set the condition as is before, and finally, pick Today. The reason we do this is to have Airtable highlight all tasks that were due before today, indicating they are overdue. Now, let's choose a color for these overdue tasks. Click on the box next to the condition to select your preferred color. This helps us because different colors can help us visually distinguish different data categories in our table. Once you're happy with your color choice, simply click Done. And just like that, you've applied conditional formatting to your table. Any task that meets the condition you've set will now appear in the color you chose. Now, let me explain why this matters. By using conditional formatting, you can easily and visually manage your data. It's like having a built-in assistant that organizes your tasks for you. To wrap up, conditional formatting in Airtable is a powerful tool to help you keep track of your data. Whether it's overdue tasks, priority emails, or sales targets, conditional formatting has got you covered. Thanks for joining us, and happy formatting.